Maru. Hey! Hey, Hua, Tony, Fa. Fantastical. It's beautiful. Right here, we want to salute to all of our families here, because we are one. Yahoy Tato E! Yarara! We would like to salute to everyone, because we are strong. Ha'a, Hawaii! Yarara! Thank you very much out there. We are the Island Way. And we have been around since 1993. In Tahiti they call us Te Aratia o Te Whenua, which means the way of the islands. Manaba and Yorana Munu. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a round of applause for all of our dancers? Because today is the third day here, and it is also Memorial Day. We must not forget that we dedicate this performance to all those men and women who gave up their lives to keep the freedom we have today. The cultural diversities of this country is what makes it great. Do you agree?
Yes.
Thanks to the parents, teachers, drummers, and also Tahiti for sharing their music and dance and culture so that we can share it with you. But most of all, we want to leave you with a big Aloha! One round of applause for my guys here. Rick, Joseph, Jason, Will, John. Thank you, fellas. We'll see you next year.